For our building resilience this week, we're continuing to get active. Why not try one of these a day? Hi, today is Monday, and Monday's challenge is throwing and catching the ball just to yourself. If you don't have a ball, you could roll up a pair of socks and throw and catch. So see how many you can do. Maybe give yourself a target of how many you can do in a minute, in 30 seconds, but throw and catch. Be active. Tuesdays, be active. Same thing with a ball, but today we're going to throw to the wall and catch. Throw and catch. Throw and catch. If you're going to use your rolled up socks because you don't have a ball, you might need to be a little bit closer to the wall to be able to throw and catch. Be active. Okay, today's Wednesday and we're going to throw the ball, touch the ground and see if we can catch the ball. Good luck. Caught it. See how many you can do. Good luck. Thursday's Be Active is still using a ball. I'm going to do it with the rolled up socks today and we're throwing to a target. So I've got some coasters out on the carpet. I'm going to see if I can throw and hit one of the targets. Oh, close. Give it a go. See what you can use as your targets. Might be easier to use the socks because they're not going to roll as much. And hopefully you do better than me. Friday, Mega Mix. Why not challenge a family member? How many in a minute? You could try each of the activities or just focus on your favourite. Good luck.